Welcome to our channel. Today we how to enable Asana sections for structured project phases. Easy tutorial step by step clearly. To begin, open your Asana application on your device. Log into your Asana account if you haven't done so already. Navigate to the project you want to organize into sections. In the project view, locate the top right corner and click on the Customize button. In the drop-down menu, find the Sections option. Toggle the section switch to the on position. Now, you'll see an option to create your first section. Click on the text field that appears to name your section. Type the name of the section that corresponds to your project phase. Press the Enter key to create the section. To add tasks to your new section, click on the Add a Task button. Enter the name of the task you want to assign to that section. Repeat this step to add more tasks under the same section. If you need additional sections, simply click the Add Section link. Name your new section and press Enter again. Continue adding tasks to each section as needed. To rearrange sections, click and drag the section name to your desired position. You can also drag tasks between sections for better organization. Take a moment to review the structure and ensure it aligns with your project phases. Familiarize yourself with the options for managing tasks and sections in Asana. Utilize these sections to streamline communication and improve project clarity. With sections enabled, you'll have a structured approach to your project phases. This will help your team stay focused and organized throughout the project lifecycle. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.